To thank the cardiac critical care update organized by Farz Academy and supported by Apollo. And thank you Dr. Asif Iqbal sir, Dr. Sutirtha Das sir for organizing such a academic session, which was a two-way communication, and it was a great opportunity for doctors like us who don't get similar opportunities for learning. So I think this type of sessions should be repeated, as Dr. Asif Iqbal said that it will be a yearly event, and I sincerely wish, hope and believe that we doctors would benefit a lot from these kind of sessions. Thank you so much once again. And I thank all the organizing people who had worked front stage and backstage as well, and because it was a team effort for this successful event. Thank you so much.